Advice that I would give a new teacher is to first celebrate the successes, because they may not come that frequently, but they are essential for your refuel. I would tell a new teacher to breathe and take a step back. I would tell a new teacher to observe themselves and to think critically about their own behavior, about their own tone, about their own body language, about their own interactions, themselves as the interactor, right? Not just about the kid, but how do I speak to this kid compared to this kid? I think you need to be analytical about yourself in order to be learning your profession, to be learning yourself as a teacher. When you're a new teacher, it is so tremendously overwhelming and intense. And for me, what was key was just grounding myself in relationships with kids.